Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video I'm going to show you, if you're a retailer, how you can make a lot of money selling our CBD products at Green Method Farms in your store, so stick with me. So if you're a dispensary, or if you are a hair salon, or if you own a gym, or any other retail space, we have a really nice wholesale program where you can sell our CBD tinctures. We give you a great discount where you can mark it up and make a lot of money. Let me show you how it works. First of all you have to do is just click the link below, and that's going to take you to our checkout page on our website. For $299, you'll get everything that you see here as our intro package. In our intro package, you'll get 12 different CBD bottles, all 1,000 milligram doses. You'll get 4 natural flavors, 4 mint flavors, and 4 bubblegum flavors, and that'll get you started. In addition, we'll send you this nice little tiered plastic container where you can display all of your CBD bottles in that, and we'll also send you this backdrop that comes with double-sided tape. You'll just stick this on the back, and this looks really nice right next to your cash register when people come to your point of sale. If you're selling clothes, or if you're selling maybe you own a gym and you have this right next to your cash register. It goes really nice there, it catches people's eye, and the cool thing about our wholesale program is that you get to actually create your own price. When you purchase the intro, you're getting all of the CBD bottles for about $25, but when you enroll in our program, which happens right when you purchase the intro, you automatically get a promo code where all future purchases, whether you purchase 1 bottle or you purchase 100 bottles, you can get for $30, which is an excellent price. You can easily mark these up to $60, giving yourself a $30 profit on every single bottle. Not only that, there are premium CBD tinctures like this one at 1,000 milligrams that are going online. Like premium products are going for over $150, some of them. So you don't have to sell them at $60. You get to choose what's right in your market. And that's why we made this little spot up here blank. You can actually, with a magic marker or a felt pen, just write in what the price is for your business. So again, our wholesale program is really easy. You start off just by clicking the link below, go to our checkout page, purchase the intro. That gets you started for real cheap. And then when these start selling, you can replenish your supply at just $30 per bottle. If you have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer all of your questions. And if this video is helpful, or you like the idea of selling CBD in your store, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'm doing a lot of videos on CBD tinctures, the health benefits of those. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're into CBD and you want to learn more about that. I have a lot of informational videos. So thanks again for watching, and make today extraordinary.